Check out this 2017 Ford Transit 250. With less than 85,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Compass delivers refined sophistication, versatile SUV capability, the latest safety features, and an adventurous spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, intermittent wipers, traction control, power windows, power steering, clock, tilt steering wheel, telescoping steering wheel, passenger airbag, side airbags. Don't settle for average when you can have excellent. Drive the Compass.